Alright, so the clock has been running now for 50 minutes. I started with the big hand up, just straight up, to help me keep track of how long it's been running. And it's been running for 50 minutes. I cannot believe this. I mean, I knew I would do it, but I don't think I ever really believed it. So, there it is. That's the clock. We're finishing up the weights now. This is rated weight, 2.5 pounds on each side. Wow. I don't believe it. So it took careful adjustment of what I've been calling the anchor, the part that clicks back and forth. Took careful adjustment of that. What I ended up doing was... Oh, you deserve to know. Hold on, let me get a diagram. One moment. What I ended up doing with that pinion...
Yay! We did it. We got all the way.
Was I took the pendulum off. I just disconnected the pendulum. Let the anchor arm hang straight down. And then, here we go. Okay, so I took the pendulum arm off. I let the anchor arm hang straight down. And I set it like this.
Right and up.
Like this diagram.
What is this?
Okay. Actually, maybe not even quite like this diagram. See how that edge right there? That edge? I had that edge aligned with this edge of the gear. I had both of those edges aligned.
6, 7, 8.
So it was like ready to push off. With the pendulum arm that connects to the pendulum hanging straight down. And then from there on it was just a matter of adjusting the thing that the anchor is connected to, the bracket, up and down to find the exact right position to where the clock doesn't stop. There it is. It was a real chore getting the escape wheel over here perfectly vertical up and down because it wobbled real bad. It took a lot of adjustment to get the wobble out of the escape wheel. Oh, what else? What else did I have to do? Going forward, I don't like the way the pendulum hangs free. It's got like 1.5 inches of space that the pendulum hook can wobble back and forth. And the problem with that is, I think over time the pendulum will migrate. I don't like that. So I'm thinking of making like 2 little clips to put on either side of the rod that the pendulum hangs on. To keep the pendulum from moving back and forth, we can put the pendulum between there. That way the pendulum can't migrate up and down that rod. I think that might be a problem. Maybe not. You know, we'll see. Only time will tell.
What's this?
That is a paper clock. No, that is a thumbtack. Don't play with that. Almost going on an hour now. If it keeps going, we'll actually have to adjust the pendulum so it can tell time. How cool will that be? Oh, man. Are you done with this pine cone?
Yep.
Fantastic.
Are you guys recording?
As soon as this glue is dried, we will attach the pine cones and see. Say hi, Gloria.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Gloria.
There's Gloria.
There's a Gloria there. You see the clock? Something that surprised me. This pendulum doesn't move very much. It's maybe... At the very bottom, it's maybe 2 inches on its swing travel. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's maybe 2 inches. I expected a lot more motion out of it. So whenever I start it, I have a tendency to really push it to get it going. Don't do that. The slightest tap should do it. You can almost blow on the pendulum to get it going.
Can I have that water bottle?
Not yet. You want some water? Here.
What's that?
Here, you can have this water bottle.
Oh, well, it's all the same.
Yeah, it's the same. You're right. It's working. I can't believe it. Almost 55 minutes now. There you go. Oh, I could just sit and watch this forever, man. I'm so proud. If you have any questions about the clock, about how I did X, Y, Z, please leave a comment. And if you get one of these, I hope you enjoy it and put as much effort and care into it as I did. And good luck.